I'm using a new YouTube ad strategy in 2023 for affiliate marketing that sets your entire affiliate marketing business up as a flywheel so that you almost never have to touch it and you can scale to become infinitely rich. I promise you I'm not joking and I'm not making this stuff up. Watch the rest of this video. I'm going to show you the exact outline. I'm going to show you exactly how we structure this stuff so that you can see it with your own eyes, how it works, and how powerful YouTube ads are going to be for affiliate marketing in 2023. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, first of all, a few things have changed about YouTube ads and Google ads by extension because they're both the same company in 2023. YouTube ads and Google ads do not let you target specific keywords anymore. Instead, Google/YouTube lets you group people together, right, under the same interest, under the same types of keywords they search. It's a slight difference, but it does make a difference. And I actually believe that this is better for us affiliate marketers because now we can group people with interest-based targeting and with keyword typing in based targeting. These are the actual keywords that they're typing in, looking for stuff on Google and YouTube. Now, just think about it. Google has a lot of data on you and me. They do. I'm sorry, they're big brother, okay? Most people are logged into their Gmail account. Most people log into other things with their Gmail account. And just think about it. Why do you think Google spends millions and millions and millions, maybe even billions of dollars every single year keeping up everyone's Gmail account, even though Gmail accounts are free? Just think about it. What are they really after? They're after our data. Okay, they're after our data. And this is a good thing if you're a marketer, a bad thing if you're not, of course. But it's a good thing if you're an affiliate marketer because that data is extremely useful to us. I'm going to show you exactly how we use that data to create a flywheel effect where we're making thousands and thousands and thousands per month running ads and barely doing anything for our business. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. But first, I want you to think about how good this targeting is when we're using Google or YouTube ads and how we can target people exactly in these grouped audiences. Just think about it. Where do you get your receipts most of the time when you purchase stuff online? Let's say I have an affiliate marketing offer, right? I have a program called the Affiliate Franchise where we walk people one-on-one through their affiliate marketing business, showing them how to set up stuff like this. And let's say I wanted to target people who bought affiliate marketing courses, right? Because I know courses don't work and most people just waste their money on courses, but how can I target those people? Well, most people get their receipts for stuff that they buy online, whether it be from Amazon or it be from the website itself, right? They get the receipt in their email, in their Gmail account. So Google actually knows your buying history, right? Google actually knows how much you pay in rent if you're paying online. They know how much your car payments are if you're paying online because you receive those confirmations in your email account. Now, I just want you to think about that for a second, how powerful that is as a marketer. When you want to put your ads in front of the right people, to have that data, to know what kind of stuff they've been buying recently, to know what receipts they're getting in their email account, holy crap, right? That opens a whole new world and a whole new door to possibilities if you want to make some serious money this year with Google and YouTube ads. Now I'm going to walk you through exactly how we set this stuff up. Now this is what we call, inside of the affiliate franchise, this is what we call our YouTube flywheel. Why do we call it a flywheel? Because a flywheel is essentially a system that you set up that feeds itself, that once it's running properly, it feeds itself, and that means we can remove ourselves and leverage ourselves out of having to do the work, right, or having to worry about money or any of that stuff ever again, really. Like, we can work 2 hours, 4 hours a week just touching up on some of these things, and that's it, okay? Once we set up this flywheel to work the proper and good way, then we're pretty much home free. This is true financial freedom. Let me show you how this works from a high level overview. We first start with our YouTube ads, okay? We start with our YouTube ads, and remember, we already talked about the kinds of targeting that you can do with YouTube ads. Now, why YouTube ads? Why not Google ads? Well, technically, yes, you can still use Google ads to do this, but there's a specific reason that we want YouTube ads, not just to mention that video always converts better than the written word, it just always does, but And by the way, that doesn't mean you have to be on video. You can just do like screen shares or slide presentations, and we help you with that too. But that being said, YouTube ads is better because of this. Let me show you the flywheel effect. Now we have this mountain of targeting with our YouTube ads and Google and all the data that they have. So we're going to target our specific audience, specific people. Doesn't matter what niche you're in. Doesn't matter what affiliate products you're trying to promote. Let's say it's weight loss, it's relationships, it's gaming, it's whatever. We're going to find the people who have been in the market recently buying stuff like this, because more than likely they're going to buy even more of it, okay? Or they've at least been searching for this stuff and they haven't actually purchased. Yes, we can segment audiences that way inside of our Google/YouTube ads account. We can find the people who've recently been in the market looking for a solution to their problems. That's how powerful YouTube ads are. Now, what happens from our YouTube ads is we target these people, and right away, right up front, we are selling our affiliate offers. So we make money from our YouTube ads, right? We're going to circle this, and this is where our money is coming from. Okay. Now, one of the caveats with this is we want this to be high ticket. We want to make a profit, okay, high ticket profit on the front end. What most people do, and the biggest mistake with this, is they follow Robbie Blanchard and all these people who are making stuff up. They follow these people and they start selling cheap stuff on ClickBank, little $30 knickknacks and $50 things. And it's just not going to work with ads, okay? Ad costs have gone through the roof. Maybe that stuff worked back in 2010 when they made their money. It doesn't work anymore. You need stuff that is high ticket. Now, what's the definition of high ticket? It depends. I know that's not the best answer, but it really depends on what industry you're in. High ticket for, say, clothing could be different than high ticket for blenders, high ticket for car equipment or stuff, you know. High ticket depends on the industry, but I would say, just as a rule of thumb, it probably should be more than $300. Let's just say that. And what I mean by that is commission, not the price of the product, the actual payout that you get from selling the product. That's important because we're going to be spending money on ads, and we want to be able to spend $1 and at least make back $2. Otherwise, this whole system breaks and it doesn't work. We're trying to create a flywheel. We're trying to make sure that we're always profiting, and we're trying to make sure that we're working less and less and less as time goes on. But we can't do that if we're making life harder for ourselves and we're barely breaking even on our ads. If we're even losing money on our ads, we're in trouble, right? So we want to make money up front with our ads. Now, what happens when we make money up front with our ads is now we're going to send them to our email list, okay? We're going to start sending them emails. Here we go. We're going to start sending them emails. They're going to be on our email list, okay? So from our email list now, we're able to communicate with them more, right? And if you've seen any of my other videos before, I had a chat GPT video, chat GPT being the software that writes emails for you. You can bang out 20 to 50 emails in a single day that's going to follow up with all of these customers that you're getting to your high ticket, profitable affiliate marketing campaigns with YouTube ads, right? You're going to make money up front, but now you're also building an email list that you can follow up with people, even if they bought. Or most people don't buy, right? Most people don't buy the first time that they see your ad. They click on your link, they go to your landing page, but they at least give you their email and their name, their contact information. So now they go to your email list. So what do you do with that email list now? Yes, you can promote other things. You can continue to promote the same product over and over. Hey, check this out. And you can try to clean up, right? You can try to get just a few of those people who didn't convert the first time to convert the second, third, fourth, fifth, 50th time. But in between that, what I like to do is I actually like to send them to my actual YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel that you're watching right now, right? And I like to send people to my YouTube channel because, and I'm going to explain this in just a minute, you're growing your organic presence, you're growing your YouTube channel. YouTube actually pays you for your views, for your audience size, for everything. Right? So you're also making money from your YouTube channel, which is also passive. and you can promote other things in your YouTube channel. And also the people that didn't really know, like, and trust you before, they start to get to know, like, and trust you now because they're starting to watch your YouTube channel. They came in from your ad, you made money up front, they dropped to your email, right? They're getting emails from you and they're seeing your other offers, they're seeing your invite to go check out your YouTube channel. They go to your YouTube channel, they like you even more, they buy more stuff from you. And here's the kicker, right? I want you to pay attention to this arrow right here because this is the magic sauce right here. From the YouTube channel, we are gathering data. That's right. So the people that watch your YouTube channel, YouTube can actually track their actions. They're tracking what videos they're watching. They're tracking whether they hit the like button. They're tracking whether, they're watching your entire video. They're watching 2 or 3 videos. They're subscribing to your channel. They are tracking those people and they're tracking the data of those people. So now you're building up another list, a list of data from your YouTube channel. If any of this is confusing you, don't worry. This is how we set up the flywheel. It's all about data. It's all about targeting the right people with your ads. And now the system feeds itself over and over and over. You're growing your YouTube channel. You're building data into your ad account. You're making money from this. You're building your email list, all completely at profit. And when you have this and this is the sweet spot, right? This is the holy grail of all marketing. When you have this, now you have infinite scale. And when you do it once, you can do it again and again and again. And that's when you start making 10, 15, 20, 30K per month with affiliate offers. Okay, you have to set up the system just right, and it's all mostly passive, and it's really, really simple once it's up and running. The hard part is the beginning, but that's why we have the affiliate franchise. We've done this before. We're doing this for our very own business. Chances are, if you're here, you saw an ad, right? You saw my email that directed you here. We're collecting your data. We're Big Brother, and we're going to retarget you with more ads later on and try to make money on the back end, selling affiliate offers, selling our own offer. We do this stuff, okay? So we're going to show you how to implement our very own system. I'm not even here right now. I recorded this video and I'm off at a baseball game with my family. That's what you want, okay? That's how you want to set this stuff up. I'm the infamous Joel. Click on the link down below to get started and talk to our team with the affiliate franchise, and I'm out.